You have the time of your life every single night. The confetti's raining down. You put your hands to the sky, center of the crowd. You're the talk of the town. And I tell myself I don't want that. What glitters isn't gold.
I found that the more items we had, the more weighed down I felt. This new mindset and new way of living has completely transformed our home, and I hope that in sharing my messy to minimal journey, it can inspire you as well. Our home is not so overwhelming for me anymore, and I am so excited to share a little bit more on that today. I don't consider myself to be a full minimalist, but rather a new fresh start to simple and intentional living. When it comes to being a minimalist, to me, it's not about living with nothing and empty spaces, but more so about identifying what things in your life add value and keeping items that you genuinely love. It's about being more intentional about what's coming into your home and understanding that everything in your home you have to take care of through dusting, cleaning, managing, or even just how the items in your home scream at you in what I like to call your silent to-do list. As we eliminate our belongings and the extra things and clutter that just add more stress and anxiety to our lives, what I have found is you can reap the benefits of simple living, and it is such an incredible feeling. So as we continue through my home, cleaning, decluttering, and organizing and simplifying in hopes to creating a clutter-free and minimal home, I hope you can not only follow along, but also join me in transforming your home too. Today, as you can see, we're doing a lot more deep cleaning than normal as our home really needed some extra loving. What I want you to know is cleaning doesn't have to be complicated or dreadful. I know I post cleaning and homemaking motivational videos to inspire you to tackle your mess within your own home and clean along with me, but my new focus is helping you to navigate and understand that we can simplify our homes and learn to enjoy homemaking again. If you're someone who doesn't enjoy cleaning and doing those everyday mundane tasks, I want to encourage you to follow along as over the next few weeks, I'm breaking it all down for you and keeping it simple so it's easy for you to implement in your own home. If you're someone who used to have thoughts like this, cleaning is such a chore. I have to do it all at once. A messy house is a failure. It's impossible to keep a house clean, especially with small kids. Here's what I've learned. Our silent to-do list is just too long. Let's elaborate on our silent to-do list. When we learn to let go of our possessions, our ability to concentrate improves. Why? Things don't just sit there. They're constantly sending us silent messages, and the more the item has been neglected, the stronger that message becomes. Think about the dead light bulb in your house that needs to be replaced. Its silent message to you could be something like, "Why haven't you replaced me yet? What's taking so long?" Changing a light bulb is simple. Or the stack of dirty dishes in your sink. "Here we go again," the dirty dishes subtly say to you. All of our possessions want to be cared for, and they tell us that every single time we look at them. As we acquire more possessions, that silent to-do list continues to get longer and longer. I suspect that if you're feeling lazy or unmotivated, it's because your to-do list is too long, or because we're surrounded by so many menial tasks that we just can't get around to doing what's important as we naturally shut down. If this is resonating with you so far, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and we are going to touch a little bit more on how to correct that silent to-do list. As we continue to clean through the bathroom here, I want you to know this. Cleaning isn't something we have to do day in and day out. It's what I like to call the accumulation factor. It's a system and routine, a little bit every day that just adds up. It can be as simple as a 5-minute powers tidy or 15 minutes, and then you're done for the day or evening. It can be as simple as cleaning as you go. Whatever you choose, I want you to understand you are not failing if your house isn't clean. My house gets messy too. Wait until you see what's coming up next. And it's just part of our daily lives, especially with kids. My key point here is that your house will never stay spotless. However, a little bit of cleaning every day truly goes a long way. So follow along as I'm going to be sharing the systems and routines along with the motivation for you to transform your home. And if you are excited and ready to join this journey with me to transform your home, leave me a heart emoji down below in the comments. Now, if you're needing some ideas of what habits you can start implementing in order for your home to stay tidy and clean, check out my YouTube short series last week, Habits of a Tidy Home.
But you never call when you're sober. You say you don't like the games, but you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that I'm fed up with your lies, so don't come closer. You know you hurt me bad and I have scars. I need some time to heal, so don't come over. Don't even bother calling, just get lost. I'm fine on my
Oh my gosh, I truly don't know why I get ready in the summer. Like, look at my hair. Oh, it's totally flat. So it's like, I don't even know, 3 hours later, almost 4 hours later. And we just got home from the park and just like a little play. And so now I need to pick up where we left off. I finished putting on her bedding for her nap. And then I still have the rest of the laundry kind of going in the background of this video. But now I need to tackle the dining area, the living room, and I also want to tackle the floors. So I did run my robot vacuum while we were gone, and then I can mop once I get all of these surfaces cleared. So let's go ahead and start that. And if I have time, I do want to start decluttering a little bit more in the living room. Things have accumulated a little bit more and things just need to be tidied up and put back in their home. So that's kind of what we're working on. Let me know down below what you are working on, and let's get back to the motivation.
small city thinking. I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party. I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me.
We've done a lot of deep cleaning around the house today, from deep cleaning the bathroom, washing all of the bedding, cleaning and tidying up the dining room like we're doing now. We're gonna be decluttering a small storage unit from our, like just outside our bathroom really soon, and then we're gonna be ready to tackle the kitchen.
She wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party. I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me. Adore me. Go ahead now. Adore me. Adore me. Oh, so cruel.
Okay, so that was just a super quick declutter. This I am going to donate. One of my cleaning clients uses Scentsy and like Bath and Body Works and stuff. So I'm going to take her that. I just know that she'll love it. She loves that sort of thing, and I don't use any toxins in my house. I don't know how these still made the cut when I like totally got rid of it all, but here we are, round 2. This is trash. This is actually like full, but it's expired back in 2022. So risky biz, I'm just going to unfortunately trash it, but it shows you how much I use it, right? Like never. And then these 3 items are just in the wrong home. These I have never used. I don't even know how they made it in my drawer, but I'm going to be donating those as well. And then I guess these 2 are in the wrong home. So those are my piles that I have going on in that little declutter of that bathroom storage thing.
Right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. I'm not usually the one who acts out. All those crazy little things we all kinda dream about. A good thing we are running out of sunlight. It's not necessary for these guys to know all about. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I.
What I've come to learn is that tackling my to-do list feels so much better than procrastinating and putting it off. Cleaning a decluttered home allows us to get down to the nitty-gritty a lot faster. There's less to pick up and tidy up, less to manage before we can start scrubbing. We can see those baseboards so they're easier to clean. Motivation will always come and go. Focus on creating habits and sticking to it and staying consistent. And again, tackling those small tasks little by little. You will thank yourself later. Think about how it feels when you have a clean house. Reduce stress, the ability to relax, less anxious, increase productivity, easier to maintain, comfort, peace, and joy. Why? Well, a study found women's stress levels are directly proportional to the amount of stuff you have in your home. If you're still with me, take this as your sign to hit that red subscribe button below if you haven't already, as well as the bell so you're notified when my next video goes live. I can't wait to see where this journey takes you.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, back. Don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back, back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey. not good. I walk back to my history, into my old neighborhood. Longing for you, oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone. Go back. If you are not with me, hey, I don't wanna go back.
Thank you so much for taking some time out of your day and being here with me today. I truly appreciate you and hope that you are inspired and motivated. If you're needing some extra motivation, check out my Messy to Minimal series. I will have it linked on the screen here. Until next time, we will see you next week. Bye.